Okay, what's up, guys? So, a friend of mine, he recommended me to watch the best of train horn pranks. Now, I have seen these videos before, and I find these videos very, very funny because I love stuff like this, man. People don't even realize how much I love videos like this. I love train horn. I like it best when people are golfing, and they honk that horn as soon as they get ready to hit. I don't know. It's just my sense of humor. Like I like seeing people mess up and then they get so mad over it and things. And so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna watch this, and get myself a good old laugh. Best of train horn
It's
pranks.
my
Let's go.
compressor. Right there are my horns. I have 4 of them.
This guy's
Let's go
messed
scare
up.
the fuck out of some people.
Okay.
I got the good one. You good?
Yeah.
Not this gate.
Oh shit.
As good as I'm gonna get. Oh, dude, that's...
The kid in the red and she's so screaming.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Did it jump? I'm ready.
Not teenage girl. What's she doing?
Go ahead.
No, don't. He just froze. Look at him. Oh my god. They thought it was that car.
I'm too mature for that.
Good? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up, brother?
What is she hiding for?
She's all hooked. Stop, brother! Go. Go. Woo! Woohoo! No, go forward a little bit and go. Go ahead. The dad jumped more. It's epic.
Oh man, these people, they are so wrong for this.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. What's up, brother? Yeah.
I'm gonna show you. I'm on TV. Yeah, man. What up? Yeah.
This will be on YouTube later, alright? Check.
Yeah, like some 5-year-old kids, like they're gonna really know what YouTube is. I didn't even know what YouTube wasn't even invented back then.
Go.
Zoom in.
Uh,
Get it outside the room. Yeah, brother! What's up, man?
That was epic.
Oh man, these people's faces.
Woo!
Wait a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Yeah. That was good.
Yeah.
Did you get like that a jump?
The blue guy, yeah.
Did you get him?
Why a horse? That's messed up.
Go.
They're horses.
Go.
Oh my god, that was
Go.
He swung on it. Oh man. What is this? Wait a minute, what? Are they playing Yu-Gi-Oh? This is where all those elementary kids went. No, wow.
Okay.
Like, I didn't even know those things existed.
Go ahead. Do it. What's up, bro? Was that funny? That's a loud horn, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
No, don't do it.
Go.
Oh my god.
Did they jump?
Yeah. Now they're laughing.
I'm so glad this is. Why the cat, man? Come on.
Yep. That was pretty fucking funny.
You like that?
That's kind of great.
They're not even looking.
That was funny.
She's all like, "What's going on? It's the end of the
They're both
world."
looking. You still recording the game? Yeah, I'm still recording.
Guy in the green, he's all like, "I don't know what's happening right now."
Look at the game.
He's all like, "I'm still hearing it."
That was so fucking funny. Just honk at him. Yeah. Nice Scion, man. Thanks, man. Did yours have a train horn? When I got mine, it came with a train horn. You want to hear it?
No, I can't. Oh, I
Wanna
just
hear
blurred
it?
it.
Mine came with a train horn. Dude.
Wow. During their recording. During the news.
Dude.
Wow.
Got some asshole following us.
Wait, somebody's following them?
Oh. Man, you got angry. I'm sorry. Hey, calm down, man.
Whoa. What did he throw at them? He's still following them. So that's when you get a paintball gun. I spray this whole car.
Cut on the freeway.
Different multicolors. Green, red, blue, yellow, all of that. He ain't following me. I don't care if I just scared the crap out. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, they are right there to them. It's messed up, man. It's messed up. People out there, they got lives. Last thing, I would be so scared if I'm just walking down the street and a train just like a train. I'm thinking that that's what they probably think. They're getting ready to get hit by a train. They don't know what's going on, and it's like, that's messed up in a way. That's messed up. But you know, that was funny. That was really, really funny. The golf ones are the best. The golf ones, I love those ones. They should just make one of just nothing but the golf ones. Those ones, that would be funny. And yeah, that's what I was going to say during the video. If this was a try not to laugh challenge, I would have failed. I know I would have failed. This is something that you're supposed to laugh at, and I can't hold in my laugh during something like that. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video. You know I did. I enjoyed watching that. That was funny. And I'll talk to you guys later. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and peace.